In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional email signature using HubSpot's free tool and seamlessly integrate it into your Gmail. This guide is perfect for 2025 users who want to elevate their email game with a touch of professionalism. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit the HubSpot free email signature generator online. This is a fantastic tool that will allow you to craft a sleek and professional signature for free. Once you're there, start by choosing a template that suits your style. HubSpot offers several, so pick the one that aligns best with your personal or company branding. If you're aiming for a clean and unbranded look, don't forget to turn off the Created with HubSpot branding option. Next, you'll need to enter your personal and professional details. This includes your name, title, phone number, website, and any social media links you'd like to include. If you have a headshot or company logo, you can upload these too. Adding these elements gives a personal touch and promotes brand recognition. Afterward, you might want to adjust the color scheme to match your brand's identity, although this step is entirely optional. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the Create Signature button. This action will generate the HTML code for your signature. Go ahead and copy this HTML code because we'll need it in the next step. Now, let's switch over to Gmail to integrate your new signature. Log into Gmail on your desktop, as these features aren't available on the mobile app. In the top right corner, you'll see the gear icon. Click that and select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the settings, you'll be on the General tab by default. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Here, click the plus Create New button. Give your signature a name that you'll remember, especially if you plan to create multiple signatures for different purposes. After naming it, click into the text box provided and paste the HTML signature you copied from HubSpot into this space. Now it's crucial to verify that everything displays correctly. If you happen to see that some images don't show up or the formatting isn't quite right, there's an easy fix for that. You'll host your images, such as your photo or logo, online. Consider using tools like the HubSpot File Manager, Dropbox, or even your website to do this. Then, reinsert the images directly into your signature via Gmail's Insert Image button, ensuring they display properly. You might need to resize them to meet Gmail's limits, so don't hesitate to make adjustments there. Finally, after confirming everything looks spot on, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save Changes button. And that's it. You've just created and installed a professional email signature that will leave a lasting impression with every email you send. Thanks for watching.